Club. Ride with us.
It's Mr. You Know Who from 602. What it do, y'all? It's T with Arizona Riders Club. I am in this Camaro. Let me say it properly. Camaro. What year is this thing? 2010 SS Chevrolet Camaro. Taking a look at the dash. It looks like we have some suspension lights blinking. Airbag needs some service. Let's take it for a ride, shall we? All right, so first impressions, this thing sits nice. It wants to go. I gotta take it real simple and easy right now. Let's see what they're listening to. Little R&B, not quite sure who that was, but hey, you know, when you're getting in the mood for racing, you wanna go, right? Right. But yeah, it feels nice. Suspension's good, engine's growling. It's funny that that suspension light is on. It could be a numerous or a myriad of things. I know with some of my previous cars, it was everything from wheel sensors to brake sensors to the inflation of your tires. So it could mean anything, man, to be honest with you. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm feeling this Camaro. I am definitely feeling this thing. The only thing that I would like it to be is a convertible, man. If this thing was convertible, wow. Okay, so windows are working. Looks good, feels good. We're gonna get out and take a look. Give you a run around this thing. Throw that thing in park. What do we got on the dash? Looks like we have 167K on it. Whew, quite a bit of miles there. Okay, so door handle's not working. Let's try to get out on the outside. Hi, T made a great escape. What do y'all think? All right. Interior looks a little tacky. You could have matched it to the paint job, my G. Oh, actually, they wrapped it. What do? They wrap it? Yeah, it was red, but they wrapped it. So we'd have to throw that back to the original color. I like that back fender. Gives that Batmobile look. You know what I'm saying? Take a look at that. Custom rims, big Brembo calipers. Not bad. What do y'all think? Holla at your dude. All right, we're gonna make sure this thing can get up and go. Let's ride. Take a look at the rear interior. Let's go. I gotta watch myself. People are going in and out of cars, so don't want to hit any pedestrians. You know, now that I see this this Batmobile, whatchamacall it, doesn't make any kind of sense. I have absolutely no vision out of that rear window. Rear view mirror is pretty much blank, bruh. So looks cool, not very practical. But yeah, this thing, for the right price, I know you guys are gonna get tired of me saying it, man, but I really live this and I mean it. I am willing to buy a car that needs a little bit of work for the right price, but it has got to be low. All right, guys, let me back this thing in without scraping or scratching. Oh yeah, I'm feeling this one. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth, man. You know what, though? We gotta get up under that skirt, man, before we say anything else. Let's pop the hood. You hear that? All right, let's get up in this. Take a look. Hold on. All right. Sorry about that. Sounds good, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Sounds really, really good. All right, y'all. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.